you're like me, I'm always trying to come up with interesting ways to make an impressive but quick lunch. So what I've made here is bulgur. So bulgur is low GI, full of B vitamins, but it cooks exactly like rice. So 1 part bulgur, 2 parts water. Really simple. Pop it in your pan, bring it up to the boil, drop it down to the simmer. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes. What I like to do is I like to aerate it a little bit. I've got some beautiful Danish feta, which is the more milder of all the fetas, which I like. I've got some really lovely high protein pistachios. Pop them in there. The basil leaves, just tear the basil leaves. So this has got a bit of an Italian feel to it. And I've got some beautiful sweet Bellino tomatoes. So I just like to cut those in half. This is a really, really simple dish. It ticks all the boxes for me because what I'm always looking for is food that is obviously low GI, got to be tasty. What I've got the beautiful extra virgin Australian olive oil, by far the best in the world if you ask me. Into there, little bit of salt, and that's as simple as it is. Give it a good toss. Beautiful bulgur and low GI, high protein dish, which is full of flavour and more importantly, is an easy lunch.